Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the environment ready and launching Nano Banana. First, sign in with your API key or account so the tool can access models. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, confirm you have at least 1 GB free RAM and 500 MB disk, and enable a GPU if available for faster processing. Now open the app, create a new project, and select a workspace. This immediate start gets you into the first actionable step without extra setup delays. You now configure the model and feed data so the system can produce useful outputs. Choose the model variant, then adjust temperature and max tokens to balance creativity versus control. Lower temperature yields predictable results. Next, upload your prompts or dataset and map fields precisely, because misaligned inputs produce garbage. Once inputs are mapped, run a short test with a sample prompt to check responses and latency. If responses look off, tweak sampling parameters and rerun until outputs match expectations. You finish by refining outputs and exporting or integrating the results. Iterate on prompts to improve accuracy, then save the final configuration as a template or snapshot for reproducibility. When satisfied, export results to JSON or CSV, or set up a webhook or API integration for automation. Make sure you record version and settings to replicate runs. If things go wrong, check your API key, quota limits, model version, and input mappings first. These resolve most failures quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.